Hello everybody, Blitz11 here and welcome back to LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Last time we stopped the Joker and got him arrested, and Talia is back in Gotham to help us. And we gotta figure out who... Well, she come back to help us and tell us that the League of Shadows is back. But we gotta figure out who's in charge of the League of Shadows, and we gotta go down to the docks and figure out pretty much what I just said. I don't like to say this every video intro. If I become your comfort channel, I'll appreciate it no matter what. Don't like it too loud or energetic or try to be funny. I just want to have fun playing games and doing Let's Plays. The main thing I do on the show is gaming Let's Plays, Funko reviews, LEGO reviews, and do a movie review every now and then, mainly on superheroes. Let's get this done. Wrong thing. Batgirl.
Duty calls.
No Batwoman. No Jason Todd. Tim Drake. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure in LEGO Batman 3 and 2, definitely 1, that Tim Drake is the Robin that we play as. Oh, there's a token right there. I see that. I see that token. I don't think it shows off tokens, but I see that token. Get back there.
Calling all units. Another disturbance in Old Gotham North. Confirm reports of someone not following the rules of the road. Over.
Yeah. I like that. I like that. Come on, ninja run. I see that token right there. I don't think they appear on camera. Okay, let's fast travel down there to the docks. Does she have her own bike? I'm pretty sure she has her own bike. Yeah, she does have her own bike. What am I talking about? I'm making things up now. Hello there, Batman. Yep, he's fine.
Calling all units. Another incident at Tri-Corner. Seems like some bad guys are fighting other bad guys. Over.
Hang on a minute. Let's destroy this over here.
Nice driving.
Wrong thing. Sand timers. We're gonna get Clayface in
Let's
this.
get moving.
Because I'm thinking like all the Batman villains are gonna appear. I don't think they even take Killer Moth seriously at all. A real villain, by the way. Like, they can put in Condiment King and Kite Man. They can surely put Killer Moth in this. They have Clue Master here, a character that no one barely knows about. Did I already get that one? I'm sure I got that one already. No.
Thanks for the lift.
Hooking you up. Coins galore. Like tons of Batman villains that you can barely see. Have you ever watched the LEGO Batman movie? Joker. Okay, this is kind of funny part about what it is. When Joker started listing off all the rogues gallery right there, and he started making up the ones that sound fake, very fake, but they're not. But sorry, getting distracted by notifications on my phone. Sorry. Yeah, when Joker started listing off all the villains, the rogues gallery right there, when he started like listing off the ones that sound fake but they're not fake, the security guard or something said something like, "Are you making some of those up?" And he's like, "Nope, totally real." If you know what if you read the comics about that, or Wikipedia or something like that, you can Google them up. They're real. The LEGO Batman movie is great. I'm not gonna lie. I think when I was a kid, I didn't take it that seriously and didn't appreciate it that much, but now I kind of do. But I don't really. I don't really care for the sets that much.
Attention all officers. We've got trouble in Tri-Corner. Either a citizen is caught in a super weird escape room, or they're in really big trouble. Over.
Fish, I can go fast with this. I gotta go with Batman. He's faster.
A piece of a wanted poster. Be on the lookout for more.
I don't really want to do this right now. Let's just get to the main mission and on. Why is this difficult? This should really be like a like Lego games are not that long, like I say, because Lego games are not meant to be long at all. Come on.
Nearly there. Seems pretty quiet.
And his name is Batman.
I'm like the Joker. I don't kid around.
Gotcha. Number Redder King. I gotcha.
Problem solved.
It would be best not to linger.
You're safe now. I'm Batman. I swear. It feels like I'm seeing things.
Okay, enough of the Batman voice for now. Get back to it.
This is dispatch. Incoming crime alert from Tri-Corner. Multiple curs are in a fuffle.
Alright. Got my upgrade brick. What can I use it on? Wait, dodge or range attacks to charge attacks for the last. What's this? Yeah, let's do that. Putting all of it into the.
This is a kerfuffle. Over.
I don't know if the game's gonna give us a lot more skill bricks, but I'm gonna put it all into like combat for now.
A blue flower. Could be just a coincidence. Maybe there's another clue nearby. I think there might be something here.
Like again, so this game is like taking inspiration for it to make its own original story, but at the same time,
The League's insignia. They're here all right.
Either that, or the League has set up its own courier service.
Another crate's blocking the door to get inside. Need to find something to move it out of the way.
but at the same time, they are.
Something seriously up with that door. No way I'm getting inside.
Look at this. Get out. But at the same time, they are using the movies as inspiration.
Ah, that's more like it. Now to look inside that crate.
Fuck, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted by notifications on Twitter and stuff like that. Someone that has their a Lex Luthor profile parody account that I love to play along. It's on the new DC universe, stuff like that.
This has been here a while. What's this? A ticket to the Tunnel of Love.
Oh god, not
I
that.
guess this means next stop is Amusement Mile.
Lego 3069. Are they not? Please tell me they're not doing the killing joke. Any Batman tokens up here? There's a guy up there. I got the whole I can see the whole Science Industries. I don't think he's gonna show up. Simon Stagg. He was in the Arkham game.
Whatever's waiting at the tunnel of love, I bet it's not free hugs.
I'll show you free hugs. Oh, there's a weapon. Good. Upgrade some of these. I get like, how many do I have? I only have 11. Let's upgrade some talia stuff. No, that's not ring. Allows these spicy blowdarts will cause the enemy to run around, breathe. Oh, that's funny. I want that. So I can't do any more. Grab some of these tokens, these coins, money. If I get up here, can I find like a token? Anything? Bat tokens are everywhere. No. Excuse me, Talia. Look, I can't do like a nice Batman voice. Okay, get that tower unlocked. How much? That's the only tower I don't have unlocked. Wait, did they even show towers at all? Don't think so. Fast travel.
After the miswork. It's a date. Got a date. Batman has a date.
Bruce, for the last time, this is not a date, it's an investigation.
Dispatch.
It's a
Looks like
date.
an emergency in the East End. Looks like a thief's trying to take something that isn't theirs.
And don't ruins my dumb joke here. Not much of a joke, but ruins my dumb Batman voice here. The one thing I don't like, the crime pop-ups gets annoying as heck.
Ugh, amusement mile. Why would anyone come to such a place?
Who's that? I don't care what anyone says, I am not living in Gotham. I would not live in Gotham at all. Out of every fictional place to live in, I refuse to live in Gotham. Why would you get off?
Made of building? Are buildings made of me?
Okay, so can I sit in?
What a
Okay.
surprise. More rain.
Screw you too.
Have I seen you somewhere before?
Definitely upset. I wanted to sit with a random citizen, but they don't refuse to take place. Sit next to Batman.
The tunnel of love is in here.
I don't know why I found that funny. He's just gliding onto me. Yeah. A ton of love. We better not be doing the Batman the last. The Killing Joke. Don't want to be doing that movie. I know a lot of people are disappointed in me. Not, yeah, people are disappointed in me. What the heck? A lot of people are disappointed with that movie. Of how bad it was. Especially based on the comics.
This seems familiar. It's a door puzzle like the ones back in Nanda Parbat.
It seems that some pieces are missing. Maybe they're somewhere close.
It's again, it's like based on the comics, but they had to improvise a little bit and made a lot of stuff up.
Wait, what was I doing again?
While I'm here, I can start grabbing a lot of stuff.
What's this? Looks like someone's rigged this machine on purpose. Yep, that fits. Just gotta place 2 more.
Let's grab all these small ones. Play a Pac-Man machine over there. Gotcha.
That's all of them. Now to activate the machine. It worked. And there's the missing puzzle piece, just as I thought.
Yeah, I gotta get onto the ride. It's going off without me. It's walking off without me. Dropping cash right here.
Just the kind of tech I need. Looks like one of the missing puzzle pieces is on that roller coaster. There must be a way to reach it.
You know, I can just wait for it to come down. I don't know if anyone else is patient enough for that, but I certainly am. I can just jump out when I have the chance. Okay. Collect.
It's a puzzle piece. I should find more.
Oh, glad. Grab the money. Take the money. We are the money. That's not a good thing to have a giant hole there. Hang on. Talia, need you to do this.
It seems as long as I hold this, the cage door will remain open.
Good
Gotcha.
work, Talia. Now we can ride the roller coaster to...
Grab the missing puzzle piece. As a friend of mine once said, way ahead of you.
I guess this is all we're doing right now.
What goes up must come down.
Whee! Hang on.
I'm doing it. I'm Batman.
Better hold on. This could get bumpy. Alfred's always asking me to use a coaster. Pretty sure this isn't what he meant. Another piece of the puzzle.
Look at this trophy over here. Joker teeth. Wrong button. Amusement mile. Don't believe this. Hang on, anything inside the park? The rain tech thing over there. Gotcha.
I'll get some use out of this.
Get to the top, right there. Oh, there's one right there. Yeah. I can destroy this trophy right over here. Since I'm already here. Again, I do want to save a lot of this stuff, but since I'm already here, I'm gonna do it.
Something tells me Service with a Smile left this place a long time ago.
I destroyed it. How do I, okay, that gets annoying sometimes. Okay, how do I spray foam someone? No, that's how... Like, how do you, like, spray foam a bomb onto someone? Gotta face the Condiment King again. He's back here. I'm stuck. Got stuck in the wall. Oh, I'm getting it all done. I'm cleaning the thing.
Can't get past this door. Better leave it to Talia.
Yeah. Come on, Talia. Get past this and we'll continue on a date. For the last time, Bruce, we're not on a date. Switch to him and destroy a lot of these things.
Only one way to go. And that's up.
Oh, don't go, no, come on. Don't fall off on me now. That kind of love is we're gonna date. We're going on a little date, Natalia. Not because I'm not trying to be funny, I just want to be weird.
This should be the last piece of the puzzle.
Here we go.
Maybe I should have thought about this.
Oh my god.
Now, can I go back up the slide? Is it broken? Slide broken? The slide is broken. Who destroyed my precious slide?
I'm Batman.
Oh, come camera.
Looks like I have all the pieces I need. Okay, the puzzle's ready. Now just to solve it.
Oh, don't tell me there's one of those. Okay. That's how I get that.
Got it. With any luck, we might actually be able to stay ahead of the League's plans.
All this stuff replenished. Come on, Talia, let's continue our date. Bruce, if you continue to say date, I'm gonna kick you right in the nuts. Okay, got you now. I'll stop doing date now.
It is safe. I knew it. It's Bane.
So what's his problem?
He was born out of the darkness and grew into a soulless mercenary. Even more ruthless than my father. He's a monster. Mr. Freeze, Poison Ivy, Two-Face, merely pawns. Bane has been orchestrating this chaos all along.
For the sake of Gotham, I will send him back down the hole he crawled out of.
Don't underestimate him, Bruce.
Wait a minute. I might have known. This one never misses a party.
Joker, should we question him?
Yeah, come on. He's in custody at the GCPD.
Someone's
I
jealous.
suspect they're still holding the Joker at the GCPD on North Island.
I'll follow you.
Alright, I'm gonna...
Incoming crime alert. Head for the East End. Citizen is fending off a wannabe thief. Over.
Oh, there's a token right there. Like, there's like 50 of these around the city. No, I found 10 of them. Where? Gotcha.
I'm Batman. Gotcha. I'm Batman.
Yeah. He's
Work out.
saw the black eye in him.
Stay alert. Our battle may not yet be over.
So I saw a hot dog man and a chef on the duck ride. Catwoman's definitely jealous. And Bane was following us throughout the sewers. How much more was part of the plan? The realist pawn game. I'm not going about that. But I'm going to end the video off right here. I'll see you all next time on Lego Batman. Never mind. Hang on. Let's follow our goal here. You part of the...
Is today the day you'll fail one of my tests?
What's this for? What's...
Come in, anyone on patrol. Trouble brewing in the East End.
I'll come back for this
Suspect
later.
attempting to enter somewhere using non-traditional means. Over.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to that later, but I'm gonna end the video off right here. I'll see you all next time on Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight when we interrogate the Joker and get to that one scene where that one fan base is mad about. I'm Ballista11, and I'll see you all later.
Batman out.